Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a guinea pig's cage. Okay, so to start off, what we have to do is just put on our plastic gloves so that you don't touch all the poop and pee, and then you just put all the boxes and stuff that you can throw away into the plastic bag, and then you can just start gathering all of the bedding and make sure to get all of it. And with just a wet paper towel, you can wipe the bottom of your guinea pig's cage to get off all the poop that might have gotten stuck on the bottom. And with just some normal guinea pig bedding, I'll just fill the cage with a layer of it so that it'll pick up all her pee and poop, and then it'll be a lot easier to clean. Okay, so now I'm just going to wash the bowls. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put all of her stuff back in that I just washed.
Oh, she's gonna jump.
No! Oh, crap. Okay. Okay guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and make sure to watch all my other videos that are yet to come.